Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and in today's video I'm super excited to be bringing you another HiCrochet crochet kit review. Now I have reviewed two of these before, and if you haven't seen that video already I will link it in the description box below. I really enjoyed them. I have one more to review and this one is probably the one I'm most excited about. So let's jump into unboxing this and creating it. Okay, so this kit is the biggest kit of the three that I received from HiCrochet. Now they did send these to us to try out, so we did not pay for these. So just full transparency, these were gifted to us to try out. So this one is the frog and swimming ring ornament, and it is an intermediate pattern. Now I'm going to jump on the website with you guys right now so you can kind of see the pricing for this. This one is definitely the most expensive of the three that I tried, but it's still affordable. Okay, so this is what the website looks like. It's very user-friendly, lots of different options. Now I'll just bring you over, if you go to this down arrow for kits, we are going to be in the donut series here. And this is the one that we're doing right here, the circle swimming frog. Now this one is $30.61 Canadian. So whatever that is in your currency. I would say the other ones that we tried, I can show you. They are the walking series we tried, which is anywhere from $25 to $29, so about the same. And then we also tried the press bubble series, and those ones range anywhere from, it looks like $22, $24 to about $27 or $28. So I think that they're very affordable. If you compare them to the Woobles, they're definitely more affordable. So that's kind of what the website looks like. Very user-friendly, so many different options. Of course, there's even more that I haven't tried, but I'm excited to try this one. So this is what the kit looks like. It's in this blue bag. It's a reusable bag. Now, mine did come a bit damaged. If you can see here, there was a rip in it when I received it, which, I mean, that's fine. It did come with two other ones. I'm not sure if it was the hook that punctured it or what had happened there, but none of the objects in the bag got ruined or damaged. They were wrapped on top of being in these bags, so that was fine for me. But this is what it looks like, and let's unbox it because that's really the best part. So the first thing, just gonna kind of empty this all out so I'm not being super loud. So the first thing that it comes with is your little instruction sheet. Now on the back of this, I'm not going to show you it, but it does have the QR code for both the pattern as well as the YouTube video, which is so helpful. I did use the YouTube video in the past for the other ones, and because I'm a visual learner, I can read patterns, but I'm a visual learner. So this was super helpful, and it just has a picture of what you're creating here. It gives you all of your yarn, and it really does give you quite a lot. I still have quite a lot of leftover yarn from the previous projects, but here are the colors that we got. So a brown, a green, a red, and a white. And it is quite a lot, so usually you can make another project afterwards. It came with some fiberfill. It came with a 2mm crochet hook, which I kind of touched on in the other video. It would be nice to have an option to not have to purchase the hook every time. If you're buying 3 or 4 of these kits, you're going to have 3 or 4 of the same crochet hook, because I think they use the same one for every kit. So I kind of think that's a little wasteful, but otherwise it's a very nice hook. Now it also comes with this little bag of kind of the smaller things. It comes with a little like keychain, so you can put this as a keychain. It comes with your stitch markers, if you can see that. And then it also comes with your safety eyes. We get a darning needle, which is very nice, a metal darning needle. So the supplies are really great quality. And then it comes with everything you need for the actual, like this one in particular, it's a bobblehead. So this is what I need to create the bobblehead, which I'm sure in the pattern they will show us exactly what to do with all these things. And then they also send a glue stick. Now, again, I did talk about this in my other one. I'm not a humongous fan of gluing on my amigurumi parts. I personally like to sew them on, but that's kind of a personal preference thing. You do what works best for you, but I will create this pattern exactly how it is written and suggested. So I will use the glue gun for whatever they suggest. So I'm gonna jump right into the pattern. I'm gonna start working away and I'll update you as I go. Okay, a little update. It's been about 2.5-ish hours, so 2.5 hours or so. I have finished the head and the hair and everything. I just have to do the nose on the head. And then I also finished the 2 arms. So I just have the ring to create that he sits in, and then I just have to put it all together and then it's done. So I figure the ring will take me another maybe hour or so. It looks a little bit more tedious to complete. So far, it's a great pattern. I'm really enjoying it. Again, I had to use the YouTube video a little bit for the lips, but I actually love how they did the lips. It's such a smart idea. So really enjoying it so far. I'm going to keep going. I'm hoping to finish it by today. I may not finish it by till tomorrow, but that's okay. These things take time. This is definitely a longer pattern. So I'm just going to keep plugging away at it, and I will update you guys with anything that comes up. Otherwise, I will see you when I have it all put together. Hello. Okay, so it is the next day. The donut ring part took me about 3.5, 4-ish hours. It was just quite a lot of rows that had to be done. So it did take me some time with the size of the yarn, but that's totally okay. This project was definitely the longest one. I would say all together, it took me about, I don't know, 6 to 7 hours to make. So that's pretty like average for a stuffy for myself, especially with this size of yarn. So these projects, the little bigger ones, they do take longer, but that's okay too, because sometimes that's nice to have a project that's going to take a little bit longer and not done within an hour. So I'm going to show you my final product. So this is my little bobblehead frog. I'm super happy with it. It looks identical to the picture. The bobblehead is adorable. I've seen lots of people post on these online, and some people put them, they like suction cup them to their car dash, and then when they're driving, the bobblehead just kind of bobbles, which I think is kind of hilarious. I may even do that, who knows? But yeah, it was a really fun project. I used the video tutorial and the written pattern to complete it. Very straightforward with just a couple little things that I needed some help with, but otherwise, I'm super happy with how it turned out. Overall, I honestly, I do really like these. I think for the price and with whatever thing you get with it, for a beginner, I think they're perfect. Plus the little like the gimmicky part of it, like the little bobblehead and, you know, with the other ones that I did, I think that's kind of fun. It kind of adds a little bit of variety to your amigurumi and your crocheting that other companies don't really do. So I do really love that. Once again, I do have a discount code for you guys that HiCrochet has provided to us. It's 10% off, and I will link it in the description box below. And again, full transparency, we do receive a small commission on those links. So when you purchase from them, we receive a commission. Obviously, we appreciate anything that you guys give and do for us, so thank you in advance. Otherwise, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This little guy is so cute. Head over and grab one if you're interested. We hope you guys have a lovely day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!